One night in Pattaya, we finna go viral tonight, man. 1-800-RELLO.
On fire.
She said, what the fuck? Like, why?
What the fucking tell?
Yeah, sing it out, yeah. Dance for that, dance for that, yeah, dance for that. What? Come on. Here we go.
Thailand, man. Y'all see what's going on? It's been a crazy night. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Crazy!
We've been going in all night.
Literally! And I got tipped.
Party on fire.
This is what happens when you come to Thailand and you look like J-Rello. Woo, baby! And he's still stuck.
not least, last stop. Yeah. Last but not least, last stop of the night. Last stop of the night, man. Last but not least. Here we go. Back at it.
And it's sunrise, and we are in Pattaya.
Go to the bathroom.
You do this all the time.
Where we going? Over here?
Going back.
We're going here?
Come hop on.
All my friends came from
Lady in red.
Yeah, we're taking it tomorrow off. Or today off. No,
We're going to the beach.
no, we're not.
Going to the beach
Back to
tomorrow.
Bangkok, Caleb's got it going down.
Oh shit.
I forgot right back to that motherfucker.
I don't want
Tomorrow
that.
is going down in Bangkok.
It's okay, we can do
Where?
it.
Huh?
That car. I'm gonna say my hand.
You know,
Saved a lot of money tonight. It was
it's
a
been
good
a long night.
Good.
She been hanging
doing
out,
crazy
you know what I'm
fuck shit.
saying?
I did. I wonder why.
It's time to take it in, you
Blame
know?
me. Tomorrow night, I can blame you.
Stop. At this point, everyone needs to just go to bed.
Guess who did some dumb stuff last night? Drunk all my money behind the mirror. Boy trying to get it out for me. Here's I got action. Don't ask me how I did it. Long story short, it's going down the drain. Like, I done came to Pattaya for one day. I mean, technically how the night went, this is how the morning should go, the morning after. No recollection of what I was doing the whole night. I'm not responsible for the whole night. So, wish me luck, man. If I get this little stack, we're gonna do something special with it. Man, y'all recovered one stack already. Don't ask me how I did it. Whatever else he recovered, that's his. Leave it to me to drop a lot of money behind the mirror. It's about to be finders keepers, man. It's about to be finders keepers. That's how I'm feeling about it. It's yours, it's yours. It's yours, it's yours. Finders keepers, man. They get it, lunch on everybody. Oh shit. The national treasure. I'm about to just stick something sticky in there. Damn, how we gonna get that out? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I don't even know. I don't know how I did it, y'all. Help. Send help. If y'all ever in Pattaya, come to the Barren Beach Hotel. Room. And check in. Ask for this room especially. There's a wad of money behind the mirror. You're welcome. It'll pay for your hotel here for like 2 weeks. Up to you. It's yours, it's yours. Fine, let's keep this, man. They get it, lunch on everybody. Oh shit. The national treasure. I'm about to just stick something sticky in there. Damn, how we gonna get that out? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I don't even know. I don't know how I did it, y'all. Help. Send help. If y'all ever in Pattaya, come to the Barren Beach Hotel. Room. And check in. Ask for this room especially. There's a wad of money behind the mirror. You're welcome. It'll pay for your hotel here for like 2 weeks. Up to you.